Now we know what is a class, what is the object, how to create a class, how to create a functions inside the class, how to create a object, how to access the functions inside the class using the objects. So, and we have seen the special function which called constructor function or constructor method. Now we will be seeing some more special functions that are available in Python. So for that illustration, let us create a class called person, and this is a constructor method, and inside that self, name, age are the parameters. Dot name, we are setting the data here, is equal to name. Self dot age is equal to age, and print welcome and the name dot format and name, or you can give self dot name, anything is same. Now let us first run it. Now let us create an object of the person with the name and age. Let us say Mark, and the age is 22. So it is telling welcome Mark, but actually now if you say like P1 and press enter, so it is giving the memory location. This is the memory allocated to the object P1, and it is telling that it is a person object. So if you write like print P1, so actually what it does, print function will call, defaultly there is a special function called str. It is calling that function because we haven't defined it in our class. It is taking this string and printing the same. So now let us define it and see the result again. Let me close it. So the function starts, all the special functions start with double underscore and str and double under. Now let us write like self, and we can write anything here, that is our wish. Whenever we call the print, it will be calling this one. Let us say return name is equal to, we will be printing name and age. Name is equal to and age is equal to dot format, get it from the same name self dot name comma self dot age. Now let us run it. Create a object called P1 person Mark with the age 33. Now if you write print and give P1, it is giving Mark and age. So let us create one more. P2 is equal to person John 22. Now if you want to print P2, so actually what it is doing, it is calling this method. This is a special function, we can write anything here. And then is one more special function which is underscore del. So let me first show you this. So if you tell P1, so there is a memory allocated. So once we have used the object and we are no more required of those objects, we should always have to delete it to save the memory. And P2 is also allocated with some memory. And now let us say delete and sclf press enter, and here we will be just before deleting we will just give the string that memory allocated is deleted. Now let me first close this and run it. P1 is equal to person mark class 25. Now see here, P1 is having the memory. Now if we can say delete P1, P1 is deleted. Now if you write P1, it is deleted, but here itself we will create in the file itself. Now person, it will show the details and delete it. Once the details are shown, the object is no more required, that's why it will be deleting it. ptr comma 35, let us say p2 is equal to person Robert comma 22. Now first we will be printing the data inside the P1. This will called str special function print P2, and here let us write memory allocated. Let us write some fancy string is no more, is dead, and memory is free. Get it from self.name. First format, and inside that self.name. Now let us try to, after finishing this we will be deleting it. Delete P1 and delete P2. So now just run it to see the output. See here, first the object is created for Peter, object is created for Robert, the name of Peter, name of the Peter is printed when we call the print P1, print P2, and when we say del, the memory is free now. Peter is dead and memory is free. Robert is dead and memory is free. So like this we can delete. Now P1 has no memory allocated, P2 has no memory allocated. So hope you understood. Keep practicing. There are more special functions available. You can check it in the next lecture. I will be giving some text lecture there. There you can get all the special functions. Try it yourself and keep practicing.